Welcome to this video where we're going to show you how to pick with Tasklet Mobile WMS against Dynamics 365 F&O. So we're going to start by clicking on pick orders, and we can pick against production orders, transfer orders, and of course, normal sales orders as well. The system is going to tell you exactly where to go and pick the item from. So in this case, we're walking up to the location. We're going to scan the product. Then we're going to scan the location where the item is placed. And then finally, this product has batch tracking, so we scan that as well and confirm the quantity of this item that we're picking. Next up, we're gonna scan the next item, and the system is again gonna say, where do you need to take it from? You'll scan that barcode and then confirm the quantity of that specific product which you need. Once you've done, you click on the check mark, and then basically the system asks you to post the order. If you're ready, you can click yes. Now the system is connecting to F&O, and already now the pick has successfully been posted. Everything was handled directly from the scanner without printing any paper. You can do it directly from the device.